He's not even 3 days old, and yet life is already stacked against him. Like all the other babies here, he will have no birth certificate and no citizenship. The mothers look dazed, almost absent. The fan does little to ease the stifling humidity. But the fact that these Rohingya mothers have come to deliver their babies in one of the camp's clinics is a small victory.
The main challenges is that they don't come to us in their early pregnancies. When they feel any complication, then they come. Before complication, they basically don't come to us.
The majority of women here are giving birth in their bamboo huts, often with the help of a Rohingya midwife. It is their traditional way. That's what BUSHARA did. At 29 years old, this is her 8th child.
I was in a lot of pain while giving birth. It took all night. My child was born at dawn. I wasn't able to go to any clinic. I didn't have their number. Also, I couldn't walk. So how could I get there?
There is little chance of getting to a clinic here at night. The camp is unlit, and you have to navigate narrow alleyways before you get to any kind of main road. It's worrying the health workers here.
They live in very unhygienic conditions and don't come for health checkups, even if we try to convince them. That's why infections spread and leads to infants developing a lot of complications. Mothers end up developing eclampsia and pregnancy-induced hypertension and diabetes.
Aside from the health risks, it also means a growing population, a growing refugee population that Bangladesh says it won't host forever, and Myanmar clearly doesn't want back.
More than 100 babies are born into these camps every day. Now that amounts to around 35,000 new lives every year. More than half of Bangladesh's Rohingya population are children. And it does make you question what kind of future do they face.
There are basic learning centres here for the younger ones, but no formal education. And for the teenagers, there isn't much to do. There is no education for them, and they can't leave the camp to find jobs. Spending time here, it really is striking how many children there are. Lives on hold before they've even begun. Stefanie, Dekker, Al Jazeera, Kutupalong Camp, southeastern Bangladesh.